If you're watching this video, it's likely that you or someone you love is facing the daily challenges of living with diabetes. You may be struggling with constant cravings, energy crashes, and the stress of managing blood sugar levels. It can feel overwhelming, and no matter how much you try to eat healthily or exercise, the numbers on your blood sugar monitor just don't seem to improve. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural solution that could help you regain control? Today, we're diving into an incredible homemade tea made with Gurmar leaves, a powerful ingredient that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help lower blood sugar levels. Discover how easy it is to make this tea and potentially transform your health for the better. Remember, you don't have to struggle alone. With the right tools and support, you can overcome the challenges of diabetes. Check out the recipe for the Gurmar tea now and take the first step toward a healthier future. However, I need to stress the importance of sourcing your ingredients carefully. For the best results, you want to ensure you're using high-quality Gurmar leaves and other natural ingredients. That's why I'm providing a link in the description to a trusted source where you can find everything you need to make this powerful tea safely. People who have incorporated this tea into their daily routine are sharing incredible stories about feeling more balanced and in control of their blood sugar levels. They've experienced fewer cravings, more energy, and an overall sense of well-being that they thought was lost forever. If you're ready to take a step toward managing your diabetes more effectively, I encourage you to click the link in the description below. Imagine being able to enjoy a delicious cup of tea that not only tastes great, but can also help support your body's natural ability to manage blood sugar levels. This tea could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Now, I want to emphasize something very important. If you're interested in this remarkable tea and how to prepare it, I'll be sharing the complete recipe and instructions in the link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to explore a potential way to ease the challenges of type 2 diabetes. Gurmar, also known as sugar destroyer, is renowned for its ability to help balance blood sugar levels. This tea harnesses the natural properties of Gurmar leaves, along with other beneficial ingredients, to create a soothing blend that can help reduce cravings and stabilize your energy throughout the day. But before we get into the details, let's talk about why this solution is so unique. Gurmar leaves have been shown in various studies to help enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce sugar absorption in the body. This means that not only can this tea help control your cravings, but it also supports your overall health in managing diabetes effectively.